Maxed out.
Okay. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Here we are. Me and Mr. Wood. We're going to show you how to do grams to moles and moles to grams, back and forth between MolarMass conversions.
Sounds like fun.
I'm just going to put this mole in a beaker because that, of course, would be really easy.
Oh, I see.
Because he's a mole, and that's the number for moles.
No, yeah, they're different kind of moles.
Oh.
The animal and never mind.
Okay.
It's really complicated.
Got it. Okay, so basically we're using this to go from one unit to another. So I have a nice little flow chart that you can see here.
Simple and easy.
Right. You just put your finger where you start, follow the yellow brick road. Okay?
This isn't a touch screen. You don't
Oh,
have to touch
I
the screen.
realized that
Thank
as soon
you.
as I touched it. So, so here's moles, and we're going to slide this way so our conversion factor would look like this. We'll talk about that more in class and show you how to use it. All right?
Sounds like fun.
I know. They're
I'm excited.
All right, so the first one we have is, apparently my animation is working really well.
Yeah,
How many moles are there in 30 grams of carbon? Don't know, right?
I do. It's almost
Okay.
2.5. Sorry.
You cheated.
Sorry.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to ask you guys to do is go ahead and put a circle around what you're trying to find.
Ooh.
See that animation?
Is it a square on what you have?
No, underline.
Oh, lame.
Okay, so Mr. Wood, do you know what you start with when you're doing conversions?
Yeah.
What?
I start with the number.
That you know, right? So
Yeah.
we're going to start with the underline portion.
It's the thing that's not a letter.
Yeah.
That's how I can tell.
Thanks. Okay. So I'm going to start with, as you can see, you were very correct, but anyway.
Because I'm thebomb.com.
Okay.
Don't go to that website, by the way.
Okay. 30 grams of carbon is what we're going to start with. And I'm going to put my conversion of 12 grams of carbon on the bottom because for every 1 mole of carbon, where can I find this number, Mr. Wood?
Your friend's answer sheet.
Well,
Your friend's test.
oh,
Your
okay.
friend's quiz.
You're not helping my cause.
Not your friend's quiz?
No, we're going with,
The smart kids test.
okay, I'm about to silence
That's
you.
where I would find it.
You could find this number off the periodic table because, of course, it is the same as what is on the periodic table.
Molar mass.
Yes,
Boom.
very good.
Look
Okay,
at
so
that.
you can see my pink line here is crossing out the units that are the same. And what I'm
Amazing.
left with is moles of carbon, and guess what I circled? Moles.
What?
I know, mind
That's
blowing.
amazing.
Then I'm going to multiply across the top and divide by what's in the bottom to give me 2.5.
So 30 divided by 12?
Mm-hmm.
2.5.
Pretty easy, right?
I'm amazed.
I thought
I'm
so.
excited. Is there more?
There's more.
What?
Here we go. Maybe. Okay.
Ooh, look
Again,
at
everything's just hanging out.
Loving those pink lines.
Okay, so how many moles are there in 56 grams of beryllium? Once again, circling what I'm looking for, underlining what I'm trying to
There
find,
you go.
and I'm starting with what again?
Grams of beryllium.
Beautiful.
56 grams. 'Cause
Exactly.
5 and 6 are not letters. They're numbers.
Correct. You are right.
You start with numbers.
So here they are. Okay, I've set up my 1 mole across from that, and I know that 9
Boom.
grams, and where does this come from? Not the student's answer sheet,
But also the periodic table.
also the periodic table. Then again,
It's a fact.
true fact. 56 times 1 is 56.
56.
Divided by 9,
Around 6.198.
yes. Just to
Or
be
around to 6.2.
exactly. Okay, so we got that, right? We're going from grams
got
to
it.
moles. Super easy.
I'm excited.
Now we're going to do a little flip-flop.
This gives meaning to my life.
That's what I thought. Okay, now we're going to go
I love those
opposite.
pink lines. What?
I know, mine's blown. Okay, so now I'm taking amount of
Oh,
moles,
boy.
and I'm trying to find the grams in that
I'm
amount.
lost. Okay,
Oh.
go for it.
So let's circle what you're looking for,
Grams. How
Underline
many?
what we're trying to
Gotcha,
find.
Gotcha. Ooh,
or
look
what we
at
start
that.
with.
Yeah, because those are numbers. We start
Correct.
with numbers.
Exactly. So in my equation, I'm going to start with what I know again.
4.7 moles of neon,
Okay, it's
which
there.
is
Ne.
element 10.
Yep. Then I'm going
But
to
you
put...
know that.
I did know that. Okay.
Yeah,
1 mole of neon's going to go on the bottom so I can cancel it out.
Mhm.
And then my gram amount comes from,
Periodic table.
you got it.
Boom.
So then I'm going to multiply across,
What?
divide by 1, which we know anything divided by 1 is itself. So I get 94.9 grams of neon.
That is amazing.
Right? Pretty
That's
simple.
crazy. Pretty simple. Yeah. I didn't have a joke.
Yeah, I was waiting for one and that was
Yeah,
okay.
I'm not very funny.
Let's try one more.
Do we have to?
We have to.
Oh.
Because I prepped one more.
Okay.
Okay, so how many grams are there in 3 moles of sulfur? Guess what we're going to do first?
Find what we're looking for.
Yep.
Boom.
Underline what we know.
The
And
number.
What do I start with?
The number.
The number.
The thing that's not like a letter
Right on.
or a question mark.
So I got my 3 moles of sulfur. I have for every 1 mole of sulfur, it's 32.1 grams. And where did I find that?
Periodic table. Element 16. What?
Oh, now you're showing off. Okay, then I'm going to
Just
multiply across, divide by 1. Again, same thing. And there we are, 96.3
Cray,
grams of sulfur.
cray.
Pretty easy, right?
I'm loving this.
All right.
It's just like McDonald's.
That's all I got. So we'll do more practice in class. Good luck. And thanks, Mr. Wood, for helping us out today.
Anytime.